making small pine trees for a backsplash for my Christmas box, and for that I have some pine green clay, and I'm starting with a cone and I'm squeezing it down on this glass surface that I can put into the oven later. And I'm just using my needle tool and scratching the surface of this little tip. I would like it to be the pine tree. And as this is going to sit on the backsplash, it doesn't matter that it's flat on the backside. And I'm just pulling up the green clay here, pulling it up and out, doing it all the way around here. And while doing it, I'm going to decide for how big this little tree is going to be. And I think about here, and then I am going to poke deeper with my needle here at that edge. Just going to poke it through like a lot of times. This way the clay will eventually be free from the little tree. There we go, like that. And I'm just going to make a few of these and then I'm going to bake them. After baking, I'm taking some white acrylic paint, and this is just a cheaper one. Dabbing it on my finger and then on the trees for snow. And I might put a bit of white glitter on there as well. But that's it for these trees. Just leave them to dry and then they're all done. This was just a small tutorial, but I hope you liked it anyway. So, happy crafting!